guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just can't wait to show you what I got today. So today we had like a new fundraiser. It's a Miss Chocolate fundraiser, and I sold a lot of items, which means I got a lot of prizes with the items. So here were some of the prizes. There's like a lot of cool prizes, and then there's like a bunch of items. Like I sold like a lot of items. I probably sold like a bunch of papers. So like here's a lot of like orders on these papers, and this isn't even all of the papers. Look at all these papers. Look at these! So many papers, and they're all folded because we've taken them everywhere. Like my family bought from them. My mom took them to work, and people bought from her. And I also took some to church, and some people bought it, and that means that a lot of people got it, and there was like a bunch of prizes. So look at these prizes, look at them, look at these, oh they're so cool. And then, so I sold 70 to 79 items, which is so many items. I love them. And there was like a bunch of things to buy from. So like there was like this, and this. There's some more papers who bought something here, and there's a lot of things. And look, there's still more. This one and this one, and there's so many more. And this is just for me to show my appreciation for all of you who bought to me. So thank you so much for buying from me. And first of all, and one thing you're doing, you're helping me raise money for my school. And second, you're helping me get some amazing prizes. So this is just to show appreciation to people who bought from my business like fundraiser. And anyways, time for the most. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Okay, and time for the most fun part, checking the prizes. I'm so excited. I haven't opened these yet, so this will be a real surprise to me as well. So now I'm going to open the orders and the prizes. I cannot wait to see what they have in these big boxes. So I will start with the little one that's on the top first. First thing that's caught my attention is first off, there's so much stuff in here. I'm so grateful. And first thing that caught my attention is the foam axe throwing, which looks like maybe you're just trying to throw some foam axes into a target, which looks really fun. And I think I may play this game with my siblings a lot often from now on. So I definitely will play this game with my brothers a lot. So next thing that's catching my attention, the candy. So much candy, it looks so nice. I'm going to have fun eating this. And then this one looks like a putty, a two-tone putty. Well, that's cool. And then this one, oh, it's a coin bank and a Brunex coin bank. You can twist the money into that. That's so cool. And then this one, it's a light up slingshot rocket. And by the way, I think this is the box for the prizes, and the one down here is for the orders. I'm not sure. So I'm just going with what I see. So this one is a light up slingshot rocket, which looks really cool. I can't wait to use all these items. And this one is a flashing stick speaker. That's so cool. I want to use this another day. And then this one, this is tattoo pads. I'm gonna have a lot of fun making fake tattoos. And then this, it was like a noodle. That's so cool. Look at that, it's stretching. Hey, one more time. Even though I haven't opened the orders, which I'm pretty sure is in this box, I'm so grateful for everyone that has bought from me. Thank you so much. Because if you bought from me, you're the reason that I have all of these prizes and this huge box under today. So I think this is the last one actually. Yeah, this is the last one. Wait, there's this, which is a soccer and hockey game. Ooh, that's cool. I may play it with my siblings a lot. And this one is the last one. It's a flashing light bulb cup. That is so cool. I'm gonna use this to drink, and everyone's gonna be like, "Where did you get that from?" And I'm gonna be like, "Oh, fundraising." Okay, so now guys, I'm going to go into the main order. And this box actually looks huge. So I'm just going to say it one more time. I know I say it so much, but I'm actually really grateful for all of your orders. Because this box is huge. And this is all of your orders if you bought from me. So thank you so much. Okay, we're going to put this box over here. All the cool prizes. Okay. Oh my god, this box is packed. Look at all these orders. So cool. They needed to use more than one page. There's like so many pages. Oh my goodness. So it looks like there's like chocolate almonds. Really cool. Even more chocolate almonds. The orders that you bought for me. So thank you so much. How cool. What else is here? I just want to see, it looks really interesting. Wow. There's like a bunch of cooking things, and then there's a bunch of food and candy. Looks like I know I can't go over all of these one by one because this would probably take like 3,000 hours since there's so much stuff in here. But I just want to put an overall thing. Since there's so much stuff from here. So I just want to thank you so much for everyone who's watching me. I just want to say. So yeah. I'm just going to show you the overall view of this. There's like 10,000 items in here, so it's gonna take a long time. There's like 10,000 items, so yeah. Ooh, this is so cool. Looks so cool. Oh my god. I'm so excited to give everyone their orders since like this looks like a long of stuff. Ew, this looks so cool. So remember, if you bought from me, then this is one of the stuff you're getting. And this is actually humongous, so yeah. Oh my goodness, this is huge. So much stuff. And then we have a lot of chocolate almonds, candy almonds. Looks so cool. I love almonds, so yeah. So let's put all the almonds here. And then we have like, this is huge. Oh my god, we have some like, oh my goodness. So we have some, so we have like, some coconut stuff. And then we have a bottle, a bowl, which looks really cool. So, and that's pretty much it. It's like, I still have a lot of work to do because I still need to like get everything get everything in order and in place to give to everyone else. And it was already a workout just taking all the stuff out. So imagine how it would be putting everything in place. But thank you so much if you bought from me. Just one more time. I'm so grateful. So much. So anyways, we're going to have to do that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and hit notification button so you can see any notification when I make a new video. So bye guys, see you next time.